A Doordash driver cancels an order and tells the customer directly the reason why. What is the reason, you may ask? Well, let's find out. Hello everyone, this is Elijah with the Rideshare Guy, and in this video we're going to be talking about a pretty unique topic, which is a Doordash driver actually canceled a delivery and told the customer why they canceled. So right here we have a Reddit post that was posted in the Doordash drivers group, and it's a screenshot of the message that the driver sent the customer. I'm going to read verbatim. Hey there, sorry I accepted this order by accident. Payout for this order is $3.75, 8 miles and 20 minutes to get to you and back. So a whole gallon of gas and 40 minutes of my time. Ultimately, it would cost me personally to deliver your order. Just figured I'd give you an explanation prior to canceling. So sorry and have a great day. If you've driven for the Doordash platform before, you're probably no stranger to those low value orders coming in. And most of the time we tend to decline them. But this driver accidentally took this one, and rather than just immediately canceling and moving on, he actually decided to give the customer an explanation. So how does the community feel about that? Well, let's read some comments off our Facebook post. So JJ comments on the Facebook post saying it happens to me all the time, but I've never explained to the customer why I cancel. I refuse to take any delivery that pays less than $2 per mile. I need to make over 50 cents per mile for gas and maintenance on the car, which makes a lot of sense. Kaya Harris, which if I'm butchering your name, I do apologize, but she puts, I think it was a cool thing to do. I think it was done respectfully, which I agree. Mike comments, handled it perfectly. Customers need to understand why drivers decline at times. And his comment has 20 likes. Now, we actually do have a quick question by Karina in the comments section on Facebook. I just started this weekend and I am new to all this. After accepting, before picking up the food, I'm assuming, is there a way to notify DoorDash to tell them you're canceling the order? Thanks. Now, if you don't know how to cancel an order on DoorDash, I recommend you check out this video where I explain the inner workings of canceling and what scenarios is probably best to cancel in. But just to answer the immediate question right here, if you cancel before you pick up the food, that type of cancel isn't marked as a strike on your account, but it will lower your completion rate, your delivery completion rate, and you want to keep that above 80%. Otherwise, you're in danger of getting deactivated. If you cancel after picking up the food, that's when it's a problem and there will be a strike on your account from DoorDash. Again, for more details on cancellation in general, you want to check the video out that I mentioned before. With that question addressed, we're going to read a few more comments. John Hager types, I just typed my accepted by mistake in the unassigned order reason and move along. No reason to spend time typing all that stuff to the customer. Someone else will get them. And he does bring up a good point because when you're unassigning an order or canceling before you pick the order up, if you put something else for the reason that you're canceling, you can just type in exactly what's the reason you're canceling to DoorDash. Robert on Facebook writes, I've gotten bigger tips by doing those type of deliveries than deliveries that pay more. I think it's rude to explain why you're not delivering something that was paid to be delivered. Take the emotion out of the equation and just do the job. And now we want to hear from you. If you were put in a situation where you accidentally accepted a delivery and that delivery paid $3.75, was about 8 miles away and would take about 20 minutes of your time, would you just cancel the order if you didn't want to do it? Or would you let the customer know the reasons as to why you're not going to be able to deliver it? Me personally, I don't really see any issue in letting the customer know, but I can also respect the people who don't let them know, because ultimately that probably falls on DoorDash to explain to the customer, not necessarily us. Me personally, I probably wouldn't send a text because I don't think it's my responsibility. DoorDash's name is the brand, so it's their responsibility to communicate to the customer why it got canceled, and that's only if it didn't get to them in the targeted time. Someone else will probably take it, so there's probably a chance that they still got their food on time. Of course, that's just my perspective. What do you guys and gals think? That does it for this video. If you have any questions or especially comments, be sure to leave them below. If you haven't signed up for DoorDash and you have any interest in doing so, you can sign up using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Don't forget to like the video if you found value in it. Very much appreciated. And subscribe if you're new and turn those bell notifications on so you can be notified when we come out with another video. This has been Elijah with the Rideshare Guy. Be safe, be profitable.